all the professors and honestly all the TAs are really supportive in terms of serving pre-service teachers and providing them with opportunities and knowledges that they know to help ease the transition into real-world working experiences and how to find a job.
Yeah, I think all the classes I've been in are great, but my favorite class so far, I would have to say, is Cultural Foundations. And we've just talked about a lot of really important aspects like funds of knowledge and like really getting to know your students. We've also started designing like lesson plans, and it's just really like, it feels like a community in there. So I really like that class.
The professors really, really care, and you are able to form relationships with them. Even our faculty, like our advising staff, it's really easy to form relationships, make sure that you're having the support that you need.
One meaningful volunteer experience I've had is through the Badger Volunteers program. I ended up volunteering at a local daycare center for about 2 or 3 semesters. I really enjoyed it, and I got really close with the daycare community center that I was at.
I'm a part of Aspiring Educators. I joined the exec board this year. I'm the PR coordinator. And we're just a club for future educators. We do a lot of like networking, we go to conventions, but really we're just a space for like-minded people like us that want to be teachers or just educators in general. And we try to make it a community for people. So yeah, I really enjoy it.
One piece of advice I would share for prospective students is to trust yourself and lean into all of your learning experiences. You are your best advocate. You know what you need.
Yeah, my advice for new students that are coming to the School of Education is go to as many things as you can. The more things that you go to, the more people that you meet, the more friends and colleagues that you'll have along the way. Every event is a great opportunity to make connections with people and do networking. It helps you find your community here and makes you feel more at home.